Hi, I'm Charlie McLeod, and this is If Charlie Can, You Can. Today we're sanding this door. Look at this. We started sanding on this door, sanding on this door, sanding on this door. And look how it's coming. It's coming really nice. Just sand it really good. We're going to stain the door. It's had years and years of abuse. So we went over this really nicely and got it really to touch really nice. You like that? If Charlie can, you can. This looks like a good project for a weekend for you. Sand it down real good. Look at this. Okay, now they pulled the nail out, so when we do this, we're going to have to put a little extra paint on that. Extra stain. I'm using a gel stain, which gives you a little more thickness and boldness. Okay, so just take it and run that down. See how it's deteriorated here? So you take this and really sand it down. Okay. And this is not easy. And if you're not a professional, be careful. You could hurt yourself. Here we go. I'm using 150-220, which gives me not such a bite on this. And it's not gonna ruin the wood. But this door has gone for a long time. All right. I will show you how to. So subscribe. I need people so I can go live. As soon as we've got this all sanded down, I will come back and show you how I apply the gel stain. But the biggest thing now is to really get all of this sanded so it takes the gel stain nicely. Coming along. Remember, if Charlie can, you can. Like, subscribe. I need people so I can go live. Project after project. Show you how to eat everything. Bye.